Chime can receive money through direct deposit, transfers and eligible payment services. But a bingo app claiming to pay does not automatically mean the app supports Chime withdrawals. By the end of this guide, you'll know what to check before installing a bingo app, how to verify its payout method, and which warning signs mean you should skip it. First, check the withdrawal page before you spend any money or time playing. Look for Chime specifically, or for a supported method such as PayPal or bank transfer, that you can legally and practically use with your Chime account. If Chime is not listed, do not assume that a generic bank withdrawal option will work. Second, separate free-to-play bingo apps from real money bingo platforms. Some apps use virtual coins and rewards that cannot be converted directly into cash. Others offer cash prizes but restrict withdrawals based on location, account verification, minimum withdrawal requirements, or other eligibility rules. For each app on a top 5 list, verify 3 things yourself: the current payout method, the minimum withdrawal requirement, and whether your location is eligible. These details can change, so an old article or video can easily be outdated. Also, check the app's official terms before depositing money. Look for information about withdrawals, identity verification, fees, promotional credits, and prize eligibility. If an app promises guaranteed earnings simply for playing bingo, treat that as a warning sign. One more thing, never give a bingo app your Chime password, debit card PIN, or login verification code. A legitimate payout process should not require your banking password or security code. So, the practical answer is that there is no reliable, universal, top 5 ranking without checking each app's current payout rules. The best option is the one that explicitly supports a withdrawal method you can use with Chime, clearly explains its requirements, and has terms you can verify before playing. Before downloading anything, open the withdrawal or cash out section first. Confirm the payment method, eligibility requirements, and minimum withdrawal amount to die. Then check recent user feedback for complaints about delayed or rejected withdrawals. Those 3 checks matter more than a flashy bingo interface or a large advertised reward. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more current app fix and payout guides.